Denibbing and spot repair are critical steps in achieving a smooth, factory-like finish. These processes focus on correcting isolated surface defects without disrupting the surrounding paint, allowing for an efficient correction and minimal rework. Before addressing any surface defects, thoroughly clean the area to be repaired. Use a dedicated panel wipe, sprayed onto a soft microfiber towel, and wipe the panel until it is completely clean. This step removes dust, residue, and contaminants that could interfere with sanding or defect removal. Repeat is needed to ensure the surface is properly prepared for inspection and repair. Dirt nibs and small imperfections can be removed with a fine 2000 grit film-backed abrasive, with a compact sander or small orbital sander designed for precision work. As an alternative, a ceramic denibbing blade may be used. When using a blade, keep it flat against the surface and gently shave the nib down to the surrounding paint. Use light pressure and work slowly to avoid removing any unnecessary material. After the nib has been completely removed, refine the area using a 3000 grit foam-backed abrasive. Use a thicker interface pad to improve conformity and maintain consistent sanding marks. Apply a light mist of water, only enough to lubricate the surface. Use sufficient tool speed to maintain a slow, controlled rotation and sand until the denibbing marks are removed. The goal is to create a smooth, uniform surface that transitions seamlessly into the surrounding paint and is ready for polishing. Once refinement is complete, clean the area again using a panel wipe and inspect it carefully under proper lighting. Confirm that the defect has been removed and that the surface is uniform before moving on to polishing. By following a controlled denibbing and spot repair process, cleaning first, correcting carefully, refining properly, and inspecting thoroughly, you can safely remove surface defects while preserving paint quality and minimizing overall repair time.